Kalimera! Today you join us in the mountain village of Vathia. Now, most of this place is deserted, but people are beginning to come back. It's got the classic Mani tower houses, and apparently it didn't have electricity till the 1980s. It's eerie in here, like it's a bit like the Kefalonian earthquake villages, but obviously it's more intact. It's like they just packed up one morning, decided to leave. You can even hear dripping in this bathroom, whether that's a leak or it's the plumbing. You can see there's a mirror been left behind there.
So we're driving back now, and I'm glad we came early again. The cars coming up to Vathia, there's so many more, which would have made these mountain roads challenging to drive round, and they're not easy anyway, and then there'd be nowhere to park. So top tip, if you want to go and visit Vathia, get there early.